Today we'll be drawing a cute lion in Procreate. You want to start off with a normal size document around the size of your iPad. And we're going to select a nice, almost orangish yellow color, like this, to start. And you want to go grab a pen that you like. I'm going to be using the technical pen. You can find it in inking right down here where technical pen is. And we're going to start in the middle upper page. We're going to start with a oval. First, leave your pen held. If you hold it long enough, it should turn to a perfect oval. Let me try that one more time. There you go. It's going to be like this, where you can move the oval around. Undo if it doesn't show up, and then once you get the oval, you can leave it as is. And then we're going to add a little bit of dome to it, like so. And this should create our dumpling shape for the lion's head. So you're going to drag in your color from the top right. And that's going to be our head shape. And once you have the head shape done, we're going to add the two ears on each side, which is going to be a simple ear shape on this side. And this side. And fill these in. Once you're done with this head shape, let's actually zoom out a little so we have some more room. Once you're done with this head shape, we're going to add another layer right below it. So you're going to add another layer, drag it below, and this is where we're going to add in the mane, or the hair for the lion. So we're going to switch to a little bit darker orange color, like so. And you're just going to go all the way around with pretty much these shapes. Really easy. Try to make them as smooth and even as possible. It doesn't have to be perfectly even. Some nuances is good. But it's almost like a cloud surrounding our lion. And once you're done with that, we pour it in, and our lion has hair now. And then we're going to add another layer, and this is where we're going to add the body. We're going to do layer 3 as the body. So make sure you're on layer 3. Add in, or select the color of the head. I'm going to add in one circle right below. And before you pour in, we want to connect it right behind, because it's going to fill in past. It's going to fill in the whole page if it's not connected, so we want to make sure it's connected. So we're going to fill in the body, and then we're going to do an oval on the left, and an oval on the right. Right around here, fill those in. Oop. You notice how when I filled it in, the area, it filled in everything, because there's a little gap right here. So we just want to fill that in. And now we can just fill in our legs. And then let's add in a little kneecap. And a little kneecap. And just color those in. Let's add a little tail. So we're going to add a little tail. Maybe on this side. It's a little bit more room. Let's add in a little tail going up like that. I'm filling in the body just a little bit to the hair. We have the two legs. I think we're good to move forward. And once the body's done, I'm going to go back to the hair layer right here. Select the color, and we need to add the hair for the tail. It's just going to be a circle and a little triangle. Fill these in. Looking good. And then for the head, we're going to add a layer on top, and now we can do the fun stuff, which is the details. We're going to go for black first, a little bit darker brown, and we're going to go one eye right here. Make it as oval as possible. One eye right here. Make sure it is connected. Then an oval right here. And we're gonna go U, line, and then 2 whiskers. A little curve to it. 2 whiskers on either side. Looking cute. And then we're gonna go for pink because we need to add in the ear details. Fill in those. Maybe some blush to make it extra cute. Fill in those. And then let's do some toe beans. Which is going to be 4 circles. And fill in each one of these with our filling tool, like dragging it over. Same thing on this side, toe beans, 4 circles. Make this one a little smaller to match. Oops, filled the page, not the beans. If you have the iPad update, you could click continue filling, and now your pen should be a filling tool, and you just drop it in the areas where you need it. To get out, you just press the check mark up here. Now that the beans are filled, let's draw in the rest of the detail. We're gonna select the face color, go a little darker, and then let's draw in the little paws. Let's draw in the paws right there. One right here, one right here, 2 little paw lines, and then maybe you could draw the outline of this paw and outline of this paw to separate it. The body, and then I think we could add in a little bit of a dark color, maybe some hair details with this nice reddish orange. Now for the fun part, we're gonna add in a highlight for the eyes. Go a little bit bigger with the size. Oh, we need white. And a highlight for the nose. And we're going to alpha lock everything. So you're gonna go on the layer, each layer, alpha lock everything. This will allow us to use the airbrush tool with confidence. So we're gonna go to soft brush, airbrush, soft brush. I'm gonna select the layer we wanna work on. Just go a smidge darker. And then let's get a decent sized airbrush. I think this should be working. Actually, might have to go a little darker to see the results. Yeah. Actually, we could go lighter with this one. Just adding some gradients to the lion. Brush is too big. And then I want to add in a nice shadow under the chin, so we're going to go a little bit much darker. We're going to slowly, surely add in a shadow under the chin. And since it's alpha lock, it won't go outside of the color we added below. Maybe a little less saturated. Now we can switch the head shape. Select the color, go a smidge darker, undo, forgot to switch, and we can add in a shadow to the head. Like so. Hit the ear, and switch the body, same thing. Add a shadow to the body and the tail. Go a little bit darker right below the hair. And then finally, let's go to the line layer and details. Select the pink, go darker, add a little bit of a touch of a gradient. Everything, even the arms. So select the arms, go a little darker, and let's darken them just below the body. And there you go, your own Procreate lion drawing. Thank you so much for watching. If you have suggestions for any other animals you would like to see drawn in Procreate, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.